What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Sinash, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And what's going on, people? You see, I'm in the heart of nature, and you see where it's another outside video. So let's get straight to the video. Listen, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. Listen, whoever has the ears to hear this message, this is for you. This is strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones. This message is, if those friends of yours, if those co-workers, family members are not on the same path as you, yeah, it's time to cut them off. If they are not on the same path as you, chosen one, it is time to cut them off. It's time to cut them off. You have no time to be playing with these people, with these simpletons, as I like to call them. Because guess what? If you're on a journey right now, and you have goals and you have something that you aspire to do, something to handle and create in your life, people that are not on that same path as you, they'll hold you back, stagnate your energy, stagnate anything you're trying to do on your journey, for the simple fact that they're not cut from the same cloth as you. Chosen one, empaths, believe me when I tell you, they are not, and I repeat, they are not cut from the same cloth as you. That is the reason why you have to let them go, chosen one. It's obvious and it's evident by now that you have to do it, for the simple fact that when you're around these people, you give them your ideas. What do? They shun your ideas, they laugh at your ideas, they don't pay attention to your ideas, they talk over your ideas. These people are not meant to even know your ideas. That's why it's taking so long for you to manifest the desires that you really want in your life. For the simple fact that you have these manipulative agents in your life just holding you back. Believe it when I tell you. I've been through it myself, chosen ones. I've been through it myself, empaths. I had to cut these people off. I had to cut these people off that were holding me back, stagnating my energy, stagnating my time, wasting my time. All they had was stories of blah, blah, blah. These people are so self-centered. All they care about is themselves. They don't have time to listen to you and what you have going on. All they want you to do is give them your sympathy and your empathy, blah, blah, blah. That's all they want from you, chosen one. And when you need the same thing from them, you think it's possible to get that? You think it's possible to receive that from them? Oh, yeah, guess what? It's not. Those people are not cut from the same cloth as you. Chosen ones, empaths, especially empaths. Empaths, you have to understand what you have inside of you, that love, not everybody has that. Feelings, not everybody has that. We are living in the times where AI is walking around in human flesh. You get what I'm saying? And they don't have the feelings like you do. It's narcissists versus empaths right now in this day and time. So empaths, I know right now is the toughest times for you to even for you to shine. It's the toughest times for you to shine, empaths, especially if you're giving your time to people, these Rudy Poo people that can't even hold you down when you're feeling down. How many times? Listen, if you know what I'm talking about, hit the like button. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know. Even if you don't, just say what's up, my boy. Let me know. Because right now, people are not playing. You know what I'm saying? People are not playing. It's a very cynical time we're living in. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know that you're feeling it and that you're going through it too. God is telling me to tell you, like I said, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. Listen up. If you got to cut this person off, you have to cut this family member off, you got to do it right now. If you're watching this video, and you're watching it for a reason, God told me to tell you, do it right now. They're just holding you back from what you got to accomplish. They are holding you back from all your goals. They are just not doing nothing but holding you back. You feel what I'm saying, people? They are just holding you back, chosen one. You need to stiffen up that upper lip, man up, woman up, and you gotta get yourself up out of there. Women, if you around some hating ass dude that is just hating on your energy, anytime you try to do anything, all they got to do is talk shit. Get them up out of your life. If you give them a call, you text them, and they don't want to come hang out with you, if they got you confused about anything, then you gotta go. You gotta let them go. Huh? If they make you confused, that means you gotta do what you gotta do and get yourself up out of there. Chosen ones. Yeah, I'm fired up about this right now because I've been through it myself. That's why I could get on here and talk about these type of things, because I've healed myself through it, and I know there is tons of people out there that are going through the same things that I've been through. So I put my voice out there for people to relate and grow through. You get what I'm saying? It's all about the experience, people. You take in the experience, you experience it, nurture it, culture it, and then you just keep moving through the destination. Like I said, chosen ones, we're like a locomotive train. You get what I'm saying? All we're looking for is straight. We don't got time to look back. Because if you look back, you could turn into a pillar of salt. It's even in the Bible, people. It's in the Bible. If you look back at the people that you gotta leave behind, you will turn into salt just like them. I know you see them too. Look it, I know you see your friends, family members that you used to be friends with. I know you see them all bumming right now, huh? Little bummettes that you used to like in the past. You didn't even know why you liked that girl in the past, and now look at her. Oh, kids out the ass, baby daddies. Women, that dude that you thought in high school was that dude, oh my God, now look at feel me? Some of them aging like bananas, man. You still looking young and handsome, cute, because you take care of your body. You're a chosen one, feel me? You take care of your body, so you're already gonna have that youthful look, feel me? Like me, baby, look at me. You can't even guess how old I am. Feel me? The point I'm making, baby, is when it's time to cut them off and it's obvious, don't think twice. Because that gut instinct is letting you know. And when you don't listen to it, that's what it'll let you go. Feel me? When you don't listen to your instinct, it'll let you go. If you don't learn the language of your intuition, it'll leave you behind, or it'll lead you astray you into the wrong direction. I've been through it, people. You feel me? Sometimes your intuition will take you around the whole block to learn something that was literally right next door. You know what I'm talking about? Telling you, it was me at one time. When I kept people beside me, I kept people right to the passenger side of me when I knew they weren't good for me. You know what I'm saying? I knew their energy was toxic. I knew it was manipulative. I knew they lied. But guess what? I still kept my empathetic side, and I kept them beside me. And then what happened? They held me down while I was drowning, and they held me down to keep me drowning. But they couldn't do nothing for me. You get what I'm saying? They couldn't do nothing for me. The only thing they could really do is make me realize who I don't need to be around anymore. Feel me? Because there was hundreds of them, it felt like. It was like 20 versus 1, 20v1 in this mother. You know what I'm talking about? Get them away from you. So your real true friends, your real true soul tribe could arrive in your life. I promise you. Once you cut off, sometimes, look, they say you gotta forget some things to remember something else. You get what I'm saying? Your new life will cost your old life chosen one. Believe it. So that means you gotta leave a lot of people behind. Family members, work, jobs, co-workers. Anything you feel that is not adding value to your life, they gotta go. Slice and dice. Wata. That's the type of time I'm on. Slice and dice season. Feel me? I preach it all day. Listen, I got about 500 videos in the catalog. If you want high-level consciousness conversations, it's in the catalog. Go look. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Sinosh, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Hit the subscribe button. I'm a cool guy. I mean, look at me. I'm in the heart of nature right now, feeling good, looking good, smelling good. Ha! Nothing can harm me, feel me? You too, just come on, hit the like button. It's not hard either. Hit me in the comment section with what's up, my boy. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. One love.